Ladder safety. Before using ladders, check that they are safe and working. Place the ladder in the 4x1 position. Use 3-point contact. Place the ladder at least 1 meter above the surface. Do not work while sitting on top of a ladder or bending over. Do not climb the ladder with any loose tool in your hand. Always keep the ladder tightly tied or hold it from below. To work on electrical panels, use only a ladder made of insulated material. When going up and down the ladder, keep your face facing the stairs. Don't try to make a bigger one by adding several smaller stairs, as they are not designed to withstand much weight. Do not use the ladder to create a work surface or lay it flat horizontally to create a walkway like a bridge.